Just wanted to show you that I have my wood stove hooked up in my shed now. Just doing a test burn. When I first lit it, it was pretty hazy in here, but it's been going for about an hour. Burning really nicely. I put a new door on it. I just didn't want any sparks flying out. And I still have to put a better damper on here, but it's burning nice and low and slow. Just letting it die out. I'm going to be heading inside right away. So recently I went out to my winter camp and I picked up some stovepipe. I just have it going up. There's an elbow and then it goes straight out through the wall. Just before I lit this up, it was minus 20 Celsius in my shed. Now it's plus 10. I had this heater, this electric heater my wife picked up for me, but it just doesn't put out the heat when it's really cold. And it's just not comfortable to work in here. I have the door cracked open just a little bit on the top along the roof there. I have vent holes and I have a exhaust fan. I had that running at the beginning just to get some of the smoke out. You can see I joined the stovepipe together with soup cans and hose clamps. This is not something I recommend, but you know, I needed some heat in here. Of course, I'm going to keep an eye on this at all times. I'm probably going to keep a bucket of snow close by, and I will not be leaving this unattended at all.